Ultimate En Passant Chess, how to play. The rules are the same as regular chess except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. Every piece is allowed to perform an en passant move against any other piece. Whenever an enemy piece moves past a square that one of your pieces could have captured to if that piece had instead moved there, then, on your very next turn, you may capture that enemy piece by moving your piece to the passed over square. You may only perform an en passant the very next turn. You may not save it for a later turn. You cannot en passant to a piece's starting square. If multiple squares are viable for an en passant capture, then you may pick any one of them for your piece to end on. You may en passant a piece that just performed an en passant. There is no limit to the number of en passant moves you can string together in this way. Since the knight jumps with its move and does not pass through other squares, it can never be captured by en passant. The first player to checkmate their opponent wins.